So we're working on a 2014 Acura TLX, and so we got this car in. We're trying to jump it, and no power to the car, completely nothing, no clicking, just the hazards were working. And basically a common issue on this is that what the trucker did was this says positive obviously, but this looks like the positive because of this sensor right here. So he hooked him on the wrong way. He put the positive here and the negative here. And we tracked the issue down in here. There's this fuse right here. It's held on these two bolts, and then it pops out. And what happened was this fuse blew and shut off all power to the car. So what I did was, as a temporary fix, was you could zoom in here. I unscrewed these two bolts and connected a wire, and then it allowed power to the car. This is just a temporary fix, you know, just to get it off the trailer. But you guys could order this part. This would be the issue if you're not having any power to the car, nothing's working. So hope that helps.